The viral Dubai chocolate, let's make it. And all of these ingredients can be found easily on Amazon. For this, you'll need shredded phyllo, silicone molds, pistachio cream, milk or dark chocolate, white chocolate, tahini, and some food coloring. Separate a few of the white chocolate and melt and add some food coloring. I'm going to do yellow and white. You want to drizzle that all over the mold. It does not have to be perfect. It will be perfect when it comes out, I promise. Once the yellow sets, go in with the white, allow that to set. Now we have to toast the phyllo. Now you cannot use wine, you cannot use vermicelli, none of that. You need to use phyllo. I'm going to use milk chocolate and I'm using half of the bar. Melt it until it's nice and smooth and then spread it all over the yellow and the white chocolate, and then we'll let this set up before we put in our filling. Now for the filling, we're going to mix the pistachio cream and some tahini. Also add in a pinch of sea salt. It really brings this together and it tastes absolutely delicious with it. So now we're going to spread that out into the mold, and you want it to just fill it. You don't want to overfill, and then top it with some more melted chocolate and set in the refrigerator. If you guys love bueno, you all will love this.